we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're comparing these two super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 3200 series and the Terra Kaffe TK-02.
Yeah, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Philips is significantly cheaper, around $600, while the Terra Kaffe is about $1,700. Big price difference.
Definitely. The Philips is a renewed model, which probably explains the lower price. But even new, it's way more affordable. What about features?
Well, the Terra Kaffe is packed with smart features. It's app-enabled, so you can control it from your phone, set wake-up schedules, and even store custom drink profiles. The Philips doesn't have any of that.
App control is cool, but is it necessary? The Philips seems simpler. Just press a button and go. It makes 5 different coffee types, including iced coffee.
True, the Philips is simpler. But the Terra Kaffe boasts over 100,000 drink combinations. You can really dial in your perfect cup. Plus, it has roaster-approved espresso settings, which sounds fancy.
Okay, 100,000 is a lot. What about the actual coffee making? What kind of grinder do they use?
The Philips uses ceramic grinders, which they say are good for 20,000 cups. The Terra Kaffe uses a 48mm conical burr grinder. Apparently, you can use whole beans or pre-ground coffee with the Terra Kaffe. The Philips seems to support only whole beans.
Interesting. And what about milk frothing? That's important for lattes and cappuccinos.
The Philips uses their LatteGo system, which they claim creates silky smooth milk froth. The Terra Kaffe works with all milk types, dairy or plant-based, and comes with a milk carafe.
Okay, so both can handle milk-based drinks. What about size and weight?
The Philips is a bit lighter, around 21.6 pounds, while the Terra Kaffe is 29.5 pounds. They're pretty similar in size, though the Philips is slightly less deep.
Okay, so to summarize, the Philips is cheaper and simpler, good for basic coffee needs. The Terra Kaffe is more expensive, but offers more customization and smart features.
Exactly. It really comes down to what you're looking for. If you want a no-fuss espresso machine, the Philips is a good choice. If you're a coffee enthusiast who wants to experiment and have full control, the Terra Kaffe might be worth the splurge.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.